This is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change desktop folder icon on Macbook. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you have dozens of folders on your Mac, it's easy to lose track of where you put which files. MacOS offers a built-in color coding system that can help with this. But if you really want to make your folders stand out, you can change their icons. You can change and make folders default blue icon to any picture or color you want. It's a great way to personalize your computer and make your most important files stand out. So how to do it? In this video, I will show you how to do it. So first, you can just click right on the folder that you want to change the icons. This one, for the example, you can just click right on the folder and you'll find there is an option, Get Info. You can just click on that. Click right on Get Info. And in here, the preview, the icon is the default blue color. If you want to change it to another picture, you want to use picture as the icon. For example, I want to use this picture for this folder icons. So you can just drag this picture into this folder icon. And as you can see in here, the folder icons turns out like this, chain to this icon. As you can see in here on the info, the preview chain with this picture. So simple, right? So you can change any folder icon with the picture that you like. Also for this one too, I want to change it to. Click on Get Info. You can just drag the photo or the picture, so your folders will be turns out like this, more stands out and interesting, right? So that is how to change folder icon on Macbook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.